So over the last 3 years, I have worked with multiple D2C brands and noticed the common pattern among those who were able to scale and succeed following the path towards profitability. So the best performing brand not only generated the consistent revenue while maintaining healthy ROAS, but also managed to sell their product at a premium compared to the competitors. So today I'm going to share top 6 things that actually move the needle for D2C brands when it comes to acquiring new customers and retaining them. Number 1, customer reviews. So the way you buy product on Amazon after looking at the reviews, the same way new customer need a proof before they buy. Hence it's crucial to have a customer reviews on a website because people trust others' opinion on a product they want to purchase. Many times clients mention that we are a new business, so we don't have any reviews. So I would suggest getting initial feedback from your family and friends so you have some trust signals on your website. Number 2, UGC content, also known as user generated content. If a customer do talking for you on a social media, that is, if a customer becomes advocate of your brand on a social media, that's most authentic and powerful way to build trust. Such video act as a objectional handling content regarding the credibility of your products, which eventually builds trust. Additionally, you can use UGC content in your ads targeting people who interacted with your business but didn't purchase. Number 3, creator and celebrity collabs. I understand most new businesses don't have the budget, but if you're building a long-term D2C brand, you need to plan a strategic collabs, because if you want to tap into the engaged following of a creator that resonate with your ideal customer persona, then collaboration is the way forward. And this helps in increasing the consideration of your brand as well as puts your product in front of new customers. Today, many new D2C brands onboard celebrity and creators as their brand ambassadors or long-term partners. Number 4, founder-led storytelling. When your product actually solves the problem that the established brands are ignoring and a founder can articulate it through a compelling storytelling, then a story sells. Many of you may remember how Mamaearth gained early traction through storytelling, and today the Whole Truth founder has become the face of the brand, building trust directly with the new audiences. And this is one of the most powerful and authentic way to build trust because people buy from people and not from corporations. However, in a long run, this can be risky because brand success is directly linked with the founder's personal brand, and brand can be vulnerable if a founder's reputation is damaged or founder decided to step away from the venture. Number 5, packaging and unboxing experience. A premium product in a cheap packaging kills your brand. A great unboxing experience creates a social sharing, which in turn gains a word of mouth that brings new customers. Number 6, building a retention engine. So look, retention is the hardest part to crack for any D2C brand, especially in India where a customer is super price sensitive and loyalty feels like a myth. If 10 brands are selling the same product, why customer should stick to you? Once I heard this quote, a good marketing makes a company look smart, a great marketing makes a customer feel smart. So you need to answer this question, what's in it for a customer? And you need to incentivize a good behavior. When someone is making a repeat purchase, they are showing the loyalty and purchasing from you. So brands use a mix of channels and strategies to retain the customers, like email segmentation for email marketing, WhatsApp automation flows. You can have a loyalty or membership program. One of the important things you can have is an excellent after sales service. See, one of the frustrating things a customer can face is not getting a support after paying for a product. So having an exceptional after sales service position you as an authentic brand that cares for their customers. So the bottom line is, building a profitable D2C brand is tough. Competition is intense. Customer loyalty and retention are hard things to crack. Truth is, a business is not built on a first purchase. They are built on a repeat purchase because there is a higher cost associated with acquiring a new customer compared to selling to an existing customer. So if you focus on building trust, creating an exceptional customer experience and retaining customers, then you stand a chance to build a brand that lasts. If you find this video useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe.